Go get it. Well, it's another rainy day. We're going to try to get in there and work on some more of that tongue and groove today. April's got the day off today, so she's going to give me a hand. Hopefully we can get as high as we need to go with that and get ready to start working on plumbing. We have some of the plumbing stuff here, not all of it. The rest has been ordered, and I guess we'll just go to the box store for the rest of it, for the what else we're going to need, fittings and whatnot. Hopefully the sun will come out and it'll warm up a little bit. I keep getting my hopes up every day that we're going to have a day where I can wear shorts, be comfortable, but no such luck today. Now we just keep doing the same thing over and over again. It is a lot of climbing up and down the ladder, cutting it, fitting it, whatever, but all in all, it doesn't take all that long. It's a lot of climbing. All right, that's got enough of this put up. I'm actually out of material, so it worked out pretty good. It's a great place to stop. So I have enough up here that I can put the, I have enough room to mount the head units for the mini split. We're putting 2 in here, you know, 1 in each bedroom. And that should take care of our cooling needs for this house. I'll show you, move some stuff out of the way, how we're gonna do this upstairs. See if I can do this one-handed without hitting myself in the face. All right. Come up here. This is our storage room slash whatever, mechanical room. So our plumbing, the head units will hang on the other side of this wall. Then we can run our plumbing through here and just down along the wall and then down to outside the house. That way it's just one less hassle of having to run stuff through the walls. These are 2x4 walls up here upstairs, so there's not a ton of room. I guess I can turn around this way so the light's not blinding, but that's got that part taken care of. Where I'm at right now is actually going to be our mechanical room. All the plumbing is going to originate from here. We'll run our main lines up here. The hot water heater will be mounted in here. The manifold for all the PEX, it's going to be in here, which I'm starting on that very soon, probably in the next day or 2. So I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. We've got, we got quite a bit of this done. It's not hard to do. It's not even all that time consuming. It's just a lot of trips up and down the ladder. But gives your knees a good workout. And the wasps are back. Had someone tell me the other day I need to hang a paper bag up here and they'll think it's a hornet's nest and go away. So I think I'm going to try that here in just a few minutes and see what happens. That's it, guys. I'm going to wrap this one up. We're going to get some eggs right quick, check on the chickens, and move on to something else. All right.
Ow. Do not peck at me.
She's not gonna bother you.
She just pecked at me. Hey.
Alright, you wanna open this one up? See if you can see back there in the back. Yeah, there's some over there. What you gonna crawl in there and get them?
Yep. Oh, I see them back there. Oh, no, back there. Are you sure? Oh yeah, now I see them.
Yeah, I see a blue one, and I see.
You see a lot of them.
Is there a bunch in there?
4, 6, 7, 8. These are big eggs.
Yeah, some of them get pretty big. That's it, huh? All right, well, I guess you can see we got plenty of eggs. And that was my neighbor that just called. He's stuck, so I'm gonna go down with the backhoe and pull the tractor out. So that's it, just another day around here. Go get this done and I think we'll be finished. See y'all on the next one.